Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to charge BMW 7 Series. Open the charging port flap on the left rear fender and confirm the vehicle is in park before connecting a charger. Use a level 2 home charger for faster charging or public DC fast chargers for rapid top-ups when available. Always inspect connectors for debris, set charging limits in the vehicle menu, and monitor progress via the BMW app or dashboard display for safe, efficient charging sessions. For home charging, choose a dedicated 240V Level 2 unit and hire a certified electrician to confirm circuit capacity and grounding. Configure charging schedules in the vehicle or BMW app to charge overnight during lower rate periods and preserve battery health by avoiding repeated full charges. Keep the charging area clear, use weatherproof covers when needed, and periodically check cable condition and breaker settings to maintain reliable, safe daily charging for your BMW 7 Series. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more useful EV tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for drives, offering a leak-proof lid, convenient carry loop, and reliable insulation to keep drinks cold or hot on the road. I use it on long trips to stay hydrated while monitoring charging stops. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When using public chargers, plan ahead with charging maps to ensure compatible connectors like CCS or Type 2 are available at your stops. Rely on DC fast charging for quick top-ups during long trips and favor Level 2 charging for routine fills to support battery longevity. Carry adapters if needed, monitor session status in the station app, and be courteous at busy locations by moving your vehicle promptly when charging finishes to keep chargers available for others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.